here we are again. It's been about maybe about I want to say about 4 days, 5 days. I'd have to stop and really think about it and count the days since I did my last video. And at that point in time, I was just about ready to start framing. And so what I've done here in about the last 4 or 5 days is I framed all of my exterior walls, framing in my windows and doors, as well as my interior walls. Exterior walls are 2x4s, interior 2x6. Reason for the 2x6 is I've got a wall here that's going to help to carry the load on my loft above. My loft above is going to be 2x10s. Now I have to look at the drawing I made that I had submitted. I want to say it's 12 inches on center for that there. Is there really a reason for choosing 2x10s and 12 inches on center? I guess it was a compromise of not doing 2x12s, and I just thought 2x8s might be a little too light for that. Now my headers for my doors are a little bit different, just because for whatever reason, I was trying to keep my height a little bit lower. When you're going through this process of doing your own plans, making your own plans, you choose different things for different reasons, different aspects of your plans. And when you're sitting there and you're dealing with it, or you're working on it, and so many ideas flowing through your head for the last 6 months, you gotta, sometimes it's hard to remember of exactly why you chose to do it that way. But anyhow, it was all approved, and on top of that is going to run a 2x10 over top. So that weight will be dispersed there along that 2x10, which will be the rim joist there for the loft. So, but and also too, with this structure too, it's not like I'm trying to span 24 feet and 40 feet. This cabin is 16 feet wide. So, but anyhow, the bedroom is 10 feet long by 7 feet 2 inches wide. And the reasoning for these dimensions is it meets those minimal requirements for code. And this is going to be like I said, bedroom, but it can also be, if you use a bed, a fold-up bed, it can also serve as just kind of just another sitting area, or kind of a multi-purpose room of sorts. Now the bathroom is actually quite large for a place this size. The bathroom is roughly 60 and 1/2 inches wide by 7 feet 2 inches deep. So the same depth as the bedroom. So with the bathroom, if I chose to, I could probably get one of those short bathtubs in here. I think they're about 60 inches long, if I remember correctly. But I'll probably just go with a shower, like 32 inches by 32 inches. But this size too, and you could go smaller than this for your bathroom, allows for your different offsets for code distances for your sink and your toilet and your shower. And then once again, head height also is another requirement for bathrooms. And here I've got a window, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna still do a electric ventilation or not in here. But the lower level here, I'm gonna have 6 windows and 2 doors. So, and the windows are gonna be 24 by 36 inches, and my headers for my windows are 2x6s. Obviously doubled up. So I wanted to do this video before I moved on. Today I'm gonna go ahead and start setting my rim joists up there, and setting my floor joists. Hopefully get my subfloor on, get it tied in, and start setting up and prepping for my rafters. But the framing aspect of it here, minus the subfloor, has taken me about 4 days. I took a break too. I took just 2 days. Just today's Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, so I worked yesterday. But then I had taken Saturday and Sunday off, so I wasn't even up here on Saturday and Sunday. But, and also too, I don't know if I mentioned, I am not a builder. I'm not a builder by trade. I do something completely unrelated. I've got some, past experiences and stuff with hanging drywall and different things but a lot of this is